Good day, everyone. Food spoilage and mold contamination are common problems in households, markets, and storage facilities, especially in humid areas like ours. Mold growth on bread, rice, fruits, walls, and stored goods can cause food waste, economic loss, and even health risks, such as respiratory problems and allergic reactions. However, mold is not always immediately visible in its early stages. Many people rely only on manual inspection, which can be subjective and unreliable. To address this problem, we present MoldSpot, an AI-based classification system designed to detect visible mold growth using computer vision and deep learning. MoldSpot uses mobile device camera to scan surface or food products. The system analyzes image patterns such as discoloration, texture irregularities, and fuzzy growth formation. It then classifies the result into categories such as no mold detected, possible early mold, visible mold contamination. The app also provides a recommendation such as safe to consume, monitor closely, or discard immediately. Unlike expensive industrial mold detection systems, MoldSpot is designed to be accessible, affordable, and feasible for undergraduate research implementation. By narrowing our focus to surface visible mold detection using RGB images, we ensure realistic model training, dataset availability, and achievable system accuracy. This project contributes to food safety awareness, waste reduction, and sustainable development goals related to good health and responsible consumption. So, in summary, MoldSpot leverages artificial intelligence to provide a practical, accessible, and locally relevant solution to mold detection. Thank you.